Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by weighing cabbage and salt to hit roughly 2% salt of the cabbage weight. This controls fermentation speed and flavor. Once measured, thinly slice the cabbage and sprinkle salt while you massage. This draws out water and creates the brine. Make sure to press and squeeze until the cabbage softens and releases liquid, about 5–10 minutes. Keep 1 or 2 large outer leaves intact. Those become your natural air barrier. Place tools and a 1–2 L jar nearby. We move quickly now. Once you have brine, firmly pack the cabbage into your jar so liquid covers the solids. This anaerobic environment fosters lactobacilli. Use a sanitized weight or folded outer leaf to keep cabbage submerged and leave 2–3 cm headspace. Seal with an airlock lid or a loosely covered lid to release CO2. If you use a tight lid, burp it daily. Ferment between 18 and 22 degrees Celsius. Warmer shortens time, cooler lengthens it. Monitor bubbles and smell. A tangy, yeasty scent is normal. When you like the sourness, often around 1 to 4 weeks, transfer the jar to the refrigerator to slow fermentation. Cold keeps texture crisp and flavor stable. Use clean utensils each time to avoid introducing unwanted microbes and expect storage up to 6 months. If you ever see fuzzy, colored mold or smell putrid rot, discard the batch. However, white calm yeast or a thin white film can be skimmed off and is not usually harmful. Keep tasting and adjusting salt next time if texture is too soft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.